Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through and introduce to you our 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline that we just got on the lot. You'll notice the beautiful blacked out rims, nice white exterior with the black leatherette seating. Seat space is ample for the passenger, and you do have manual adjustability for the backrest, height adjustment, and forward and back. Rear seat space is plentiful. You do have nice ventilation, USB-C charging, cup holders. You do have a center pull-down area here, as well as door cubbies, but you do have a nice large panoramic sunroof. The back bench is a stadium setup, so it is a little bit taller than the front, giving you the perfect view of the windshield, helping with car sick and longer drives. The rear cargo capacity is large. As you will notice, this vehicle did have a power tailgate, opening up a nice flat cargo floor, allowing you to slide items in and out easy. Left side and right side do have cutouts, as well as an easy pull fold down for the second bench seat. It is set up as 60/40, but you do have access to that middle cutout there for longer items if need be, or you could fold it all down for larger or elongated items. Coming around to this feature-packed driver's side here, you do have all power adjustability for the driver's seat, standard window and door switches, as well as automatic lights. Classic Volkswagen steering wheel, with the left side being for your cruise control. This is a driver assist button. This vehicle comes with side assist, which is your blind spot, rear traffic, and front assist. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls, as well as forward and skip button for media and your dashboard controls. This vehicle is at 71,529 kilometers at the time of filming. You do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay available to you, as well as navigation. Here's a quick image here of the backup camera that you will also have, and Sirius XM radio. The mode button down low here by the shift knob gives you access to an eco, normal, and sport mode. You also do have off-road modes, a snow mode, and your standard normal mode or road mode. Down low, you do have your automatic climate control. Left side and right side can be controlled separately, giving you 2 zones. You also do have heated seats for the front seats. Coming down low, you have wireless charging. You also have USB-C charging and input for your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You do have a 12-volt outlet as well. Push to start is available on this vehicle. Here's a quick image of the shift knob. You got your cup holders right there, as well as a nice cutout for the center and armrest area. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our 2021 Tiguan that we have on the lot. Please feel free to message us with any questions or for us to help you find the perfect vehicle. We look forward to assisting you in the future. Take care.